For centuries, humanity has viewed our solar system as the ultimate masterpiece of clockwork precision. We envision perfect paths neatly carved through the dark, keeping an eternal, predictable rhythm around a solitary star. It is a comforting thought, an orderly cosmic backyard where everything knows its place. But these neat, glowing lines are an illusion of our own perspective. If we pull back the cosmic curtain, we find that the apparent serenity of the modern night sky lies atop a history of unimaginable violence. The birth of a solar system is not a peaceful assembly. It is a chaotic, dynamic dance. It is a theater of war where planets migrated across millions of miles. Primordial worlds smashed into one another, and order was forcefully forged directly from the fires of chaos. To truly understand the architecture of any solar system, we must look away from the small, rocky outposts and turn our gaze toward the giants. These colossal worlds are the true anchors of gravity. Their immense, invisible grip dictates the fate of everything in their domain, ceaselessly shaping the dust lanes, steering the trajectory of rogue asteroids, and deciding which infant worlds get to survive and which are cast out into the freezing moments of interstellar space. In the grand cosmic tapestry, every orbit is a fossil record, every planet a story waiting to be decoded. And as we gaze into the swirling, turbulent atmospheres of these distant planetary monsters, we are ultimately looking into a cosmic mirror. By understanding their chaotic past, we piece together the fragile chain of events that allowed our own pale blue dot to exist, to thrive, and to become a place where the universe could finally look back at itself.